Hello everyone and welcome on this new US dollar index analysis from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So of course let's now start analyzing the US dollar index, and now as we can see based on daily chart, the pair actually has formed here a double bottom pattern. And that's actually, my friends, a good sign that the pair most likely right now for this week will continue the rise. But however, we will discuss how far it's going to continue the rise to. However, as you can see right now, we need now to separate the real levels of a support from the fake breakouts, and this is really so easy. As you can see right here, my friends, here exactly we have, as you can see, a real level of a support zone. Why and how we can tell if it's really actually a real level of a support or not? By simply looking at the tails. So as we can see right here, as we can see, we have here a strong level of a reversal. We have here also a strong reversal. However, right here after the bearish breakout from this level of a support, we can see here 0 attempts of a resistance, and the market has instantly resumed the rise. So now what we have here is just a low, just simply a low. Another one right here, as you can see, and again another after the bearish breakout happened, the market actually has failed to create a single attempt of a resistance level, which means that we have here another fake breakout, and as you can see eventually right here as well. Meanwhile, on the same area, we can notice here that the market has always formed here a strong reversal with tails on these candles, as we can see, which means this is actually right here the real level of support. However, we can also right here, if we also highlight the real level of a resistance trend line, which can be seen like this. Check this out, this is really interesting. So let me just expand the line a little bit more. So now as we can see, even for a resistance trend line as well, we can also notice here a fake breakouts. Why? Because also after the bullish breakout happened, the market actually has failed to create a support trend line right here and resume the rise. Instead, it just kept falling down. However, it has been also respected as a resistance trend line. Another example can be seen later on. So as we can see right here, the market actually, my friends, has formed also a fake breakout, because again we don't have here any support trend line and the market just kept falling. However, it also has respected the previous level of a resistance trend line. So all of that indicates that right here finally after the bullish breakout happened, we have here finally the support trend line. Remarkably, it happened right after retesting the bottom support, as we can see. So that's actually indicating that the DXY most likely right now for this week will continue the rise. That being said, I would actually consider this week to sell against the dollar and buy the dollar and sell against it. However, let's now head to the 4-hour time frame to find our entry for those who actually would like to use it as a reference for their tradings in the EURUSD, PUSD, or actually all the USD pairs. In my opinion, my friends, and based on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see right here is actually a real level of a support can be seen exactly right here. Let me just be precise exactly. Check this out. So right here actually we can see, of course, a real level of a support multiple times, and more importantly for me is this long tail. The longer the better. As long as this tail here is very strong, it indicates, of course, a strength in the level, and as you can see here also we had a strong level of a support as well. Meanwhile, we barely have any resistance at all. Again, after the bearish breakout happened, we barely, not even a resistance, it's just a reversal happened right here, again, right here, and again, right here. Barely any attempts of a resistance happened right here in this area, which means 97.723 is actually a very strong level. That means that the dollar most likely will continue the fall to reach the same level of that key support, and most likely from that point onward, it will continue the rise. How far? In my opinion, and based on the 4-hour time frame, we also right here have, of course, a real level of a resistance, as we can see exactly at 99.088. Pay attention. Right here also we have that big ass fake breakout. Meanwhile, we have here the real level of a resistance, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. That being said, we can actually consider buying the dollar exactly at 97.723, and it will resume the rise till it reaches the resistance at 99.088, and that means that our safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support right here exactly at 97.159. Please allow me right now to write the signal for you. And that will be, my friends, our outlook on the DXY. And please keep in mind that we actually don't really trade this pair. I mean, we don't really buy or sell it. We just use it as a reference for trading our USD pairs. And also, my friends, in the end, please don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube. The channel name is Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can just simply find the link in the description below this video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.